Welcome to the future of dining, happening right now in China. No, this isn't CGI or a futuristic dream. It's reality. Imagine walking into a restaurant where no waiters rush around, no chefs yell orders across a noisy kitchen. Instead, robotic arms and AI-powered systems take care of everything, from cooking your food to delivering it straight to your table. It's not just a novelty, it's a game changer in how we think about dining out. Let's start with the heart of any restaurant, the kitchen. In China's automated restaurants, human chefs are replaced by robotic arms that work with unmatched precision. Picture a robotic arm effortlessly slicing fresh vegetables, stirring a wok, or boiling noodles to perfection. These machines are programmed to replicate the skills of master chefs, ensuring every dish is cooked just right. Whether it's a perfectly seared steak or a steaming bowl of noodles, the robots execute recipes with incredible consistency, speed, and hygiene. Once the food is ready, the magic continues. Say goodbye to waiters weaving through crowded dining rooms with trays of food. In these futuristic restaurants, robots take over the job of serving. Self-driving delivery robots glide smoothly between tables, carrying hot dishes with the utmost care. They use advanced navigation systems to avoid obstacles and ensure your order arrives piping hot. Some even greet diners with cheerful messages, making the experience not just efficient but fun and memorable. Customers also play a key role in this seamless system. Ordering is done via touchscreen menus or mobile apps, making the process quick and intuitive. You can browse a wide range of dishes, customize your preferences, and watch as your order comes to life in the open kitchen. Many of these setups even have screens showing the robotic arms at work, turning the meal into a live performance. It's like dinner and a show rolled into one. Beyond the spectacle, there's practicality. These robots don't just look cool, they address real challenges. With rising labor costs and the need for consistent quality, automation ensures every dish meets the highest standards. Plus, in a post-pandemic world, contactless dining offers an added layer of safety and reassurance for customers. But let's not forget about speed. In a busy hot pot restaurant, for example, robotic arms can prepare ingredients and serve dishes at lightning-fast speeds, keeping up with even the hungriest crowds. And because they're tireless, there are no delays or mistakes due to fatigue. This efficiency means shorter wait times and happier diners. What's remarkable is how widespread this trend is becoming in China. From fast food chains to high-end restaurants, automated dining is taking the country by storm. Each setup is tailored to the cuisine it serves, whether it's delicate sushi, sizzling stir-fries, or classic noodles. And the result? A dining experience that's as futuristic as it is delicious at SO. What does this mean for the future of restaurants? In China, it's clear that automation isn't just a gimmick. It's the next big step in the evolution of dining. It's a perfect blend of technology and tradition.
Energy Tech Inside.